how to order your Binance Visa card. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can order Binance Visa card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Binance and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you're logged in, you have to make sure that you have completed your identity verification, that is KYC, in order to unlock the card access. If you have not verified your identity yet, make sure the verification is complete and also make sure that you live in a supported country. So once you are logged in and if your identity is verified, navigate to three-line icon at the top left corner, and here you have to click on more services. Under more services, go to the finance section. Under finance section, if you have unlocked the card access, there you have an option as Binance Visa card. So there you have to tap on get started or apply to begin. Then you'll be taken into the prompt where you have to fill in your order details. Make sure that you choose how your name will appear on the card, and then you will also be prompted to create a 4-digit PIN. Make sure you create a 4-digit PIN. Once you're done with that, then all you have to do is confirm or update your receiving address. If the changes are needed, you might have to upload proof of address like a utility bill. Once you're done filling in your details, now you have to review and accept the terms of use, privacy policy, cardholder agreements, and KYC consent. Then finally tap on order. Once the order is accepted, a virtual card will be issued immediately. Then you can add it to the Google Pay and start spending right away. Then your physical card will usually arrive in your location in up to 45 days depending upon your reason. Once shipped, you will see a shipped status. Now you could go to your CAT dashboard, activate, input the last 4 digit and CVV to finalize. That's it. That's how you can order your Binance Visa card. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.